Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today. We're going to talk about some blush. And TJ Maxx has opened here in our little town of Wetumpka, Alabama. And I did pick up something there that I've never tried before, and I absolutely love it, and I want to share it with you. And this is all about blush, okay? And blush placement, and why do we need blush at our age? I'm 63 as this video is being made, so I'm still here. And so I still love, finding different things that I can do and share with you. So come on, I want to show you how blush can just transform your face. The first thing I want to show you is you need some concealer. I have not brightened the center of my face yet. So I do have my under eyes done, even though they look puffy. It's just springtime. And so I can't seem to get a happy medium with all of my allergy stuff. Yes, it's so hard. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on. I need a little right here. Good Lord, I need some right there. And how many of y'all have droopiness here? I do now. I'm not real crazy about it. But you know what? We'll work through it. And that's what I'm going to do. But blush has become my staple. I really, really like blush now, because it just gives me that youthful glow that my skin is missing. Even though I do great skincare and that kind of thing, it still is something that I just enjoy doing. And it makes your face so bright and cheery. So let me let this settle. I'm going to set it with a little bit of Pow. And I'm going to use a little bit of It's here. Tap that in and just kind of play. You don't have to put a whole lot. I've already had a little bit of powder on before I put my foundation on. So there we go. What do you think? Okay, let me show you what we're going to do. I've already put on a little bit of contour here, and of course along the jowls. But we're going to use these two products. This one is Younique's Peony Pink. Love it. Love, love, love it. And then this one is Milk. Yes, and this one is so pretty. It's called Cooling Water. And the first time I opened it, I was a little scared of it, but it's one of those jelly type tints, so it's very sheer. So I'm going to pair these together, and then I probably will add I got this at TJ Maxx, and this one is a MAC, but I think I may want to use Younique's. This one here, they're both very similar, but the first thing we're going to do though is we're going to put the lighter color here and here, and then we're going to come back with this tint. I'm telling you, this owns me. I just love it. So let's grab this color. See, it's not very dark. Very, very pretty. We're also going to use this on our lips at the end. So what you want to do is, here's the corner of my eye. I'm going to come here. I'm going to do one side so that you can see it. Okay, I don't want this to be too long for you. But it's just a technique that I want you to get. And I'm going to start it right through here. Push it upward, right into my temple there. You see it? And then we're going to blend it out. Blend them out. I like blending them out at different times. I don't like to do it all in one, because I want both colors kind of concentrated, and then at the end I bring in like the overall color that kind of brings it together. So that's what we're after today. Does that make sense of y'all? I'm telling you, I love blush now. And this is a cream blush. So this is so pretty on the skin. It's very light. You see it? Very, very light. So I do like to bring it up and around. And if I want to add just a little bit up here, I can, just for a little more color. You know, it really does brighten your face. I don't know how many of you are still using a lot of powder blushes. This one is a powder, really nice. This one is also, but they're very, I don't want to say shiny, but they just give off a beautiful glow. And that's what we're after. See that? Even this gives me that pretty glow, but this is a cream, so it's supposed to kind of give that glow. You see it? Oh, girl. Now, we're going to take this. Yes, I love this. I didn't know about it at first because when I first took the top off of it and looked at it, I was like, oh, no. You know, look at that. It looks so dark. But it's very, very sheer to the skin. Now, I'm going to place this not totally down here. We don't want to bring it all the way down here. We still want to keep it lifted, but we do want it like right in this area because that's where that girl put it. And I thought, really? She put it there? Okay, at least we're going to give it a shot. Okay, that's what I'm doing today. And what you want to do is I blend it first with a brush. Blend it with a brush. Push it right on up, just like we did the other. Push, push, push it. And then I love to take my beauty blender and kind of go over it. Just to soften. It is beautiful. I just love it. It just brightens your entire face. All right, I'm going to go do the other side. And then I'll be back and we're going to finish up with some lips and finish all this up too. Now, we're going to add a little bit more of this. Now, this is going to be in strategic places. Like, I'm going to put a little here on my nose, my chin, and just a little bit up here. Now, you may not see that, but it's very, very pretty when you have it kind of centered here and then it flushes out. That's what I call it anyway. I don't know if that's a good term or not, but hey. I'm from the South. Let's just flush it out, yo. I am. I'm from Alabama. So if you're going, woo, girl, you sound like a Southerner. I am. Been here all my life. So blend it with this. I don't use a brush here because this just needs to be blended and it fades out. Like it fades out. It just looks like you got a beautiful, like you've been in the sun. Kissed by the sun. That's what it is. Oh, I love it. I do. I love it. And make sure when you're doing your concealer that your concealer doesn't need to be like super, super bright, okay? Just keep it very neutral. I use this this concealer here. This is by Younique, and I love it. This is 3.5N, I believe. Yes, it's a neutral color, but it's the exact kind of color of my skin and my foundation. So it works really well for me. And so I don't look like a raccoon, in other words. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I love it. Now, I am going to take this. Even though this MAC is like really pretty, you can go and get, look at that. Woo, girl. And this is the color Cheer Up, girl. Yeah, Cheer Up's the name of it. But this one is very iridescent. And so I really think this is prettier than this one, even though that's MAC, okay? So I'm going to take a blusher brush, and it's right there on the end. Tap it on your hand. You don't want too much. And all I'm going to do is start right here at the corner and just work it upward, like in a C. I know. I can hear you going, girl. Just a little, girl, just a little. You don't need a whole lot. And then come up here. You can hear cars going by. It's my life. I'm on the front of the house, okay? It's the best lighting. I used to be in my bedroom, and this was my mom's room before she passed. And so I decided I would just turn this into my room. And that's what I've done. I've got weights back there behind me so I can exercise. I have an elliptical over here that this is hiding. So, oh my God, it looks like I've been to the beach and I got a beautiful glow. Now look at that. Now I'm going to do a quick lippy, and we're going to use that one color. And so let's do that real quick. Now, since I already have used some Hottie on my lips, lip plumper, I need to blot. So make sure you have some tissue or paper towel. That's paper towel. And then this is the color Plush. Love it. It's so pretty. It's one of my favorites. And I am wearing purple today. And this is a mauve. And so we're just going to place this around. I hope y'all are having a fabulous day. I can't believe summer's here already, but it's kind of chilly here in Alabama right now. We have been in a drought though for like 2 months, and we finally are out of it. Yay. Had burn orders in place, yes. I don't know if anybody else talks about their life and their own hair when they're doing makeup, but I do. I like it. I like to get to know everybody. And I'm on Facebook, and I do Facebook a lot. And so I know where everybody is from. And it's so cool when everybody pops on, because they're from all over the world and here in the United States. It's crazy. I had a new lady from Scotland, and that was awesome. And everybody was talking to her. We have a nice little community. We do. A lot of great ladies. Now, you see what I'm doing? I'm filling this in. That's so pretty by itself. It really is. But when we add, where is it at? Is this it? Yes, I don't want to knock nothing over. Now, with this, I would just put it on your finger and just tap it on, okay? This is so pretty. Now, we already had this up here. And now, we're going to use it here. You can also use this on your eyes if you want to. I'm looking in my mirror over here. See, I don't want to make a mess. I'm real good at that. For sure. Oh, that's pretty. I just love it. This is such a pretty light color. Yes. It's beautiful on the lid. Like if you want to use it like that. I would, if I was going to use this like that, definitely like put some concealer on your lid. And then powder over it, and then this will stick, and it will stay, it will set at the same time. So it's really pretty. I like my eye look today. Very simple, very easy. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now the only other thing that I love to do is use my Revolution Fix and Glow. This stuff is amazing. It's a setting spray, but it has a glow to it. So if you're never heard of it, then you used to could get it in stores, but now you can get it on Amazon. Look at that golden goodness, girlfriend. Just put it on your face, because this will help set all of this, and you won't have to worry about it. Like, you know, if you're touching your face throughout the day. But this is a moist beauty blender. Just bounce it across. Bounce it across. And I'm going to do just a little. I do the T-zone pretty much. That's what I love to do. The T-zone area. And then you see that shine. Now it's going to dry, and it's not going to be quite as shiny, but it's going to give you a beautiful glow. And that's what I love about this product. And it smells good too. It does. Now look how much more youthful my face looks just by adding blush. And that's what I want you to understand. Get you some blush, okay? And I will list everything that I've used. Go on an Ulta. Do some samples, you know. Younique has a bunch of colors in this. Chocolate souffle, no, cinnamon latte is one of them. It's a beautiful color too, but I like this lighter color mixed with this. And I really do like, it's the first time I've ever bought any milk products at all. So, ta-da, we are done, girlfriend. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Yay! So please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I love it when you come and hang out with me. And I hope you learn something when you're here, okay? And I enjoy having you here, okay? All right, I will see y'all next Sunday. Have a great and wonderful week. See you later.